Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G82, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So to get started, you'll want to grab something like a SIM ejector, which I have one right over here. And once you have that, if you have a case on, take it off. The tray is located on the left upper side of the phone, so once you locate it, that tray, I'm going to use the pin, push it into the little insert pin, and as you can see, the tray will just pop out ever so slightly, enough for you to grab it and take it out. Now on the tray you have space for either two different SIM cards or one SIM card and one SD card. So you can occupy, if you're planning to occupy the tray with two SIM cards, you would place one of the SIM cards on the SD tray, but sideways, as you can see. I'm planning to use one of each, so I'm going to move it over and pop a SD card next to it, and from there you can insert it back into our phone. There we go. Now once you insert your cards, they should start working immediately. So as you can see, SD card is already detected and SIM card is now detected as well, because it's prompting me to put in my SIM pin. So there we go. That is how you can insert your SIM and SD card into this phone. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.